Hey there, fellow shoppers. If you're a Rakuten user and need to update your address, maybe you've just moved or spotted a typo in your details, don't worry. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. It's super straightforward and only takes a few minutes, ensuring your orders get delivered to the right place every time. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your web browser or the Rakuten app and log in to your account. Use your email and password or any other login method you have set up. Once you're in, look for your profile icon or account settings. It's usually in the top right corner, like a little person silhouette or a gear icon. Next, click on Account Settings or Profile to access your personal information. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Address or Shipping Information. This is where all your saved addresses are listed. If you have multiple addresses, select the one you want to edit or add a new one if needed. Now, here's the fun part, editing. Click on the Edit button, which might look like a pencil icon. Enter your new address details accurately: street, city, state, zip code, and any other required fields. Double-check everything to avoid any delivery mix-ups. Once you're happy with the changes, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom. Rakuten might ask you to verify these changes for security reasons, so keep an eye out for a confirmation email or a quick authentication step. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your new address is in the correct format or contact Rakuten's support team. They're pretty helpful. And just like that, you're all set. Your address is now updated, and you can shop with peace of mind. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips on online shopping. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Rakuten.